Hi, I'm Linda Charlton. I'm going to show you how to log into Qualtrics support. I'm already in my account, so let's go right to this question mark. And let's click Contact Support. Here we need to sign in with the SSO. Here they're looking for ND state. And hit Continue. From here you can pick what part of the Qualtrics support you need help with. I normally do support request. Let's log out from here. And let's also go to Qualtrics.com and scroll all the way to the bottom of their website. And under resources, you will see the XM Basecamp. This is where their trainings are. I'm going to log out to make sure that you can see what the login screen. I'm going to log back in. You will see the same screen that you did for your Qualtrics support. So here we go again with the sign in with the SSO. And you do it in ND state. And then continue. Here is where your trainings will be. You can choose if you want a live training or on the demand, or you could do certifications. And here is where you log out. Thank you for watching.